Millions of Americans take a small tablet every day to protect their heart. That medicine is called Atorvastatin, also known by its brand name Lipitor, made by Pfizer. What is Atorvastatin? Atorvastatin is a cholesterol-lowering medicine. It belongs to a group of medicines called statins. Statins help reduce bad cholesterol, also known as LDL, in the blood. Why do doctors prescribe it? Doctors prescribe atorvastatin to lower bad cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and protect the heart. It also helps reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. It is one of the most trusted and widely used medicines in the United States. Advantages: atorvastatin is very effective in lowering cholesterol. It works well even at low doses. It is taken only once a day. It is approved by the FDA. It has been used safely by millions of people worldwide. Disadvantages and side effects: most people tolerate atorvastatin well. Some people may experience mild muscle pain, headache, or stomach upset. Serious side effects are rare. If someone experiences severe muscle pain, dark urine, or extreme tiredness, they should contact a doctor immediately. How to use atorvastatin: always use atorvastatin exactly as directed by your doctor. Atorvastatin is usually taken once a day. It can be taken with or without food. It should be taken at the same time every day. Do not stop taking this medicine without medical advice. Healthy lifestyle tips: this medicine works best when combined with healthy eating, regular exercise, avoiding smoking, and limiting alcohol. Managing blood sugar and blood pressure also helps improve results. Closing: atorvastatin is not a cure, but it is a powerful medicine that helps protect the heart and improve long-term health. Always follow your doctor advice when using this medicine. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice.